what evidence should you gather or collect after you're in a car accident? First and foremost, make sure you're okay. Collecting evidence or gathering information does not take precedence over your well-being. And honestly, it would reflect poorly upon you down the road when you're trying to get money if you're saying you were so catastrophically hurt at the scene, yet the witnesses are going to testify that you were running around talking to people and taking pictures and whatnot. So if you... Thanks, GPS. If you're that hurt, sit in your car and wait for EMS. There will be enough witnesses there to gather the evidence we need. However, if you are okay, take pictures. If you can move your cars, or if it's like a clear rear end accident and you were stopped, move your cars. Don't hold up traffic. Maybe hop out to take some quick pictures of where the cars are when the accident happened, in case if it's like a side swipe or lane issue. Those might be important if it's showing where the cars are in the lanes in relation to one another. But most certainly take pictures of the cars where the accident happened if you can. Move the cars after that, though. If you have to move the cars, still take pictures of the damage. Take pictures of both cars or all of the cars involved if you can. So not just your car, but the person who caused the accident. If you hit anybody else, if you hit any, I'm driving through construction right now, any Jersey walls or cones or anything. Most certainly try to get the license plates, driver's licenses, insurance cards. If there are witnesses, if you see that there are people who witnessed the accident and they're hanging around, sadly a lot of people these days don't stop and help people if they were in an accident, but if there are witnesses who have stopped, then get their information. Cops are notoriously bad at that, and it's most certainly going to be helpful if you have somebody who witnessed the accident, who's an uninvolved party, who can give an unbiased recitation of the facts and what they saw. Get your insurance card and information, because your underinsured or uninsured motorist might come into play. So have those limits available. If you go to patient first or some kind of minute clinic shortly after that, have that information readily handy for your attorney. But it's really just focus on kind of getting the information and the pictures and the evidence that can't be recreated or that we can't get any other way. Again, obviously not at the expense of your well-being or how you're feeling, but just the pictures and the evidence that is going to be changed or going to change as time goes on.